Alright, so I got this popcorn popper that you can use on a campfire or even just like, a fire outside. Opens up really easily. You did have to attach that knob, but you just put it on with that screw there. And we also had to attach this handle. But yeah, pretty simple to put together. Going to put some oil in here, throw a cup or two of popcorn in there, and put it over the campfire. I'm using this stuff here, so got my butter and oil in there. And I'm going to add these popcorn kernels. There we go. Let's take it out to the fire. Alright, here's our fire. Got my gnomes watching it for me while I was inside. Let's put the popcorn out there and see how it does. Now, you're supposed to just kind of spread the oil around. Spread the kernels around. Wait for them to start popping. I do wish that the handle stick rod thing was just a little bit longer, because you do have to kind of get close to the fire. Because if you had a smaller fire, it wouldn't quite matter quite as much, or if you had like a grill on top of your campfire. Supposed to just keep on kind of doing this until it starts popping, and then once it starts slowing down the pops, that's when you take it off the fire. So I do hear it popping now. Didn't take too long, really. Really popping now. Oh wow. Look at all that popcorn. Okay, it's slowing down, so let's take it out. It did recommend an oven mitt to open it, just to be careful. I got some black ones at the bottom there, so we're going to discard those. Probably just because I didn't shake it up well enough while I was actually popping them. But we're not going for perfection. We're going for the campfire feel. Doing it outside, having some fun. Let's taste it and see how it tastes. You know what I forgot? The salt. I forgot salt. But the popcorn is done. This thing definitely works. I'll be using it again. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything. If this review helped you, we'd love a super thanks. Even just $1 or $2 really helps us out. And also buy the product using our links, and hopefully we'll be able to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.